Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a Reddit user, well, you might have had some problems connecting, as around 1 p.m. this Eastern time this afternoon here in North America, a lot of users started saying that they have a hard time getting to the Reddit website. It's giving a 502 bad gateway error. If you're trying to actually access from apps on your phone, you get all sorts of weird error messages. Now, as of this video, it seems to be working here, but there's on the different websites still a lot of people complaining of not being able to access the content on Reddit. So if you do have a problem, it's not you. It is Reddit. They have actually said that they are seeing a high number of front-end error messages on their servers, so they're looking into what's happening and why it's actually doing this. So don't worry, don't go play with your settings or change anything. It's not your fault. The website is down for some still as of this video, but here I'm checking it here. It seems to be okay now here. So probably coming back slowly for those that couldn't access Reddit a little earlier today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.